All right, guys, good afternoon. Welcome to this session where I'll be helping you on how to set up a chart on upstox.com. So let's start with the session. You can write pro.upstox. So you'll need to log in into the web account. Once this is open, you would sign in. Click on the sign in version, say Pro Web. So we get this page once you click on the pro.upstox version. Let me go to the sign in first. So once you click on that, you will get an option to log in. I already have an account, so this page is the default page if you have a login page. So we'll check with the demo account. So once you click on the demo account, you get this page here. So what we'll do is we'll add a new workspace here. We'll say options and say create. So our new workspace has been created. So here there is a option to add our watch list and charts. So you can click here and click on watch list. So here we get a watch list. We will require three charts here, which is Bank Nifty futures, Bank Nifty call, and Bank Nifty put chart. So for that we can click again and say chart. We require three charts, so we press 3 times. So I'll keep the Bank Nifty futures chart above. So let me just set this up. I'm keeping the call and the put at the bottom. And this is the default watch list. So I will create a new watch list by clicking here on Nifty 50. They'll give us a option to create a new watch list. So 1 second. Save watch list. So we can type options watch list and say create. Okay, so we can say watch list 2 here. So create a watch list, options watch list 2 here. So once this is saved, the options watch list 2, we'll click on it, and here we get an option to add the scripts which we require. So here we'll add Bank Nifty first, Bank Nifty futures. So Bank Nifty, we'll add 3 call strikes and 3 put strikes. So Bank Nifty is trading at 30,710. So we'll add up 700, 800 and 900 call. So let's say 30,700 call, 30,800 call, and 30,900 call. So we have added the call strikes. Now we'll add the put strikes. So 30,700 is at the money put. 30,600 put is out of the money. 30,500 put. So we have set up our watch list. So let me just keep Bank Nifty at the top here. So you can drag and take it at the top. So our watch list is set here. So I'll keep Bank Nifty futures at the top. I'll keep the at the money call 30,700 down here and 30,700 put here. So what all things we require is the 15-minute chart with RSI on it. So now let's add up first let's change the time frame. So here is an option to change the time interval. So once we click here and say 15 minutes chart, so here is the 15-minute chart, and now we'll add up the RSI settings here. We'll change the RSI. So you can click on RSI and say yes. So here a window opens which gives us the default settings at 80 and 20, we require 60 and 40, so we can change that to 60 and 40 and say apply. So here if you check, we have got 60/40 settings on RSI. Also here we have an option to just an idea on how this things is working. We have a volume indicator here, which is an inbuilt version. So if you don't want volume, you can click on this and say volume will go away. And so we'll keep volume here. Open orders we don't require, so we take that off. Price line is an option. So once you click on price line, it gives you a line at the current market price. So currently it will move according to the up and down tick in the bank nifty chart. So this is there. So as of now we don't require this as well. So bank nifty chart 15-minute chart is ready. Now we'll set up the call chart. So here we'll take the 15-minute chart. We'll add up RSI here. Search indicators, we'll write RSI. Say yes. Change the settings to 60 and 40 and say apply. So here our settings have been done. Here we again set the put chart here. Say RSI. Say 60 and 40. Say apply. So here we have done our settings of the chart. So I hope you guys got an idea on how to put a chart. So let me just help you with a small help on how to place the orders. So say if you want to buy 30,700 put, you press a right, do a right click on it and say place order. So say if you want to buy at the current market price, then complexity, we'll always use this complexity as simple only. We are not getting into the AMO, OCO and CO order, which leads into complications. So we'll just take the simple order. Order type will be market order if you want to buy at the current market price, and intraday and say buy. So the order will be punched at the current market price. So let's check the other type of order. So say if you want to buy above the current market price, so say if you want to buy at say $60, so at that time the complexity will always remain the same. We'll select SL limit order. So if you want to buy at 60, then you can place a trigger order at 60 and the buy price would be 61. So this is if you want to buy above your current market price. If you want to buy below the current market price, so say if it's trading at 66 right now, and say if you want to buy at 50, then you would select a limit order to buy at 50 and then say place your order, and it will be triggered once the price reaches 50. So these are the three types of order: market order, SL limit order, and the limit order. So now we'll go on how to place the stop loss order. So again, we go at the same strike price, right click and say place order. We'll click this buy and sell thing. If you can see right here at the top, we'll click that, and then we need to place a stop loss order. So if you have bought at $60, then you would have to place a stop loss limit order. Let's say if you want to place an order at 40, then you can select 40 as a trigger price and selling price as 39 and say sell. So then your stop loss order will be launched. So this is there. If you want to sell it at current market price, then you need to select the sell and say sell at market and then place at the market. So it will take your order at the market price. And say if you want to place your target order, say if you have bought at 60 and if you want to sell it at 100, then you would select this limit order and put your sell price at 100 and you would select sell. So once the price reaches 100, your order will be launched at the 100 rupee mark once the price reaches there. So this was a small insight on how to set up a chart and also on how to place orders. Although you can get in touch with the Upstox team as well support team. They will help you on how to place the stop loss or the orders which you are likely to likely to be placed once you get used to how to use Upstox. Their team is helpful as well there, and they also have a live demo session there, so that will help you as well. So I would recommend you to watch their demo session as well before jumping into the trades. That would be helpful once you have the live demo session from their side as well. So this was it from our end. If you guys have any queries, you can post your queries on the Facebook group, and we are happy to help you anywhere. So good luck and good trading, guys.